Cinema, Hollywood, or Bollywood for Indians. How Bollywood came into its current status is a long journey, but how it started. Dada Saheb Phalke is considered as the father of Indian cinema. How Dada Saheb Phalke came into filmmaking, what was his passion, and what were his struggles. I mean, he failed, how he brought camera from the West, how the the Westerners wanted him to stay there and make movies there, but he said, then if I stay here, who will make movies or films or feature films in India? He sells everything, he connects himself with lot many good people and starts making movies. Harishchandrachi Factory, Harishchandra's Factory. So he makes a movie, Raja Harishchandra, and then that movie is being shown to people, and people are wondering how camera came into the life of Indian people, how the movies started getting made. Do watch Harishchandrachi Factory. Originally, it is in Indian regional language Marathi, but those subtitles help you a lot. And more than that, the acting is so marvelous, it is so perfect to the point that you start understanding every single thing just because the way it is being said and it is being expressed. Do watch Harishchandrachi Factory.